The Hub is our virtual conferencing tool. It offers an excellent solution for individuals eager to delve into the world of 3D tours and explore it alongside other users without the need to physically attend the meeting location. Agents can showcase apartments to potential clients without them having to set foot in the actual flat and without compromising the interactivity that comes with in-person viewings. Museum guides can lead virtual tours inside exhibitions without the limitations of physical boundaries. The possibilities for more interactive virtual tours with the Hub are pretty much endless. You can arrange a Hub call from within the Treedis platform, but before you do that, you have to make sure that the tour that you'd like to have a Hub call within is assigned to a client, and that you've assigned this client Hub minutes. You can check your client's Hub minutes by going to the clients page. Find the right client, go to their info section, and make sure that you've given them some Hub minutes. You can upload as many as you'd like, as long as it's within the limitation of your own available minutes. Once you've uploaded the minutes, make sure that the tour that you would like to have the call is also assigned to this client. And you can do that in the info section over here. There are two ways that you can set a Hub call within the Treedis platform. You can either do it directly from within the space, like you see here from the Manage Workspace. If you do that, you would click on the Hub over here, and then you would just set the different settings you'd like to be on for the tour. Those settings include guest before host, allowing music, and allowing avatar mode. It's important to note that full body avatars are only available for business and enterprise subscribers. The amount of Hub minutes per month, as well as the allowed participants, also depend on the subscription. So if you're a free subscriber, you get 30 minutes per month and only 2 users. For gross subscribers, this means 350 Hub minutes a month and 4 users, and for business, it's 5,000 Hub minutes a month with 20 users. You can choose if you'd like it to be a video or an audio call, and you would get a host and guest link. If you were to assign the Hub call from the main platform, it would look a little different. You'd go to the Hub space, and here you see the interface is a little different. You'll have to choose which client the Hub call is for, as well as which tour, and then we get these same settings again. Once you click save, you can get a host link and a guest link, much like you would with any other video conferencing tool. When you paste the link into your browser, it'll load the tour like this. You'll get that dollhouse view, and then it will take you to a login type screen. You can enter your name, and you can also choose between a random or a custom avatar for the call. If you click on the custom avatar, then you'll be directed to this page where you can choose between a full body or a half body avatar. You can choose your body type if you'd like, and then you can also take a selfie to get a more accurate version of you in avatar mode. Once you've got your selfie, you can decide if you like it or if you'd like to retake it, and then your avatar will be loaded. It can start with an outfit like this, but you can really customize it. You can change the face shape, the skin color, the eye, nose, and importantly, the outfit. So if you want something more casual, you can go for that over here. We use Ready Player Me to generate these avatars. So you'll get this pop-up, and then you'll get your avatar. Wait until you see yourself in the video call setting before you enter the chat. Once you enter the call, you'll be able to see the participants at the bottom there. There's also a chat function like other tools, and you can see each other's avatar. You also have the option of sharing your screen if you'd like, which is great for presentations that maybe you want to show during the video call. And you can do all the other kind of functionality. You can mute yourself, you can hide your video if you'd like, and you can also lock the screen of your participants. So, for instance, if there's 10 of them in there and you'd like to walk around, then you can lock their view so that they have to follow you all around the space instead of just being able to roam freely. You can then have the option of unlocking their view so that they can move freely. And of course, you can also leave the call